What's going on, my Freethinking Rebels? And welcome again to another episode of Decrypting Crypto. It is I, your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. I am a certified holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital asset management. And we are on a mission to help busy parents, entrepreneurs, and business owners just like you to safely invest and automate your digital assets, create passive income, and build a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. My friends, if you are joining me live, please take 1 minute and share the link below with your community so you don't miss out and you share this information with everybody around you. You can also drop a like and a comment and let me know how are you doing today, my friends. Now, today's topic, $5.17 billion Bitcoin future open interest and CME nearing its all-time high. That and much more we will be covering today. Shout out to Pod Fryer dropping some love. Good day to you, my brother. I'm hoping things are going well for you, my friend, up in the cold north of Canada. Getting colder, my friend. It's getting colder up here. So we are going to jump straight into our first news highlight. Let's do that. All right, first story for you guys today. Bitcoin futures open interest nears its all-time high. So the Bitcoin future open interest on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or the CME, is reaching $5.2 billion and neared the all-time high of $5.45 billion record in October 2021. Isn't this crazy? Like, I want you guys to really take 1 minute and think about it. The last time this was so high was at the peak of the bull market in 2021. So what does this mean? Are we at the top of the bull market? No, my friends. Far from it. This is why I am just I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys feel in this weather, but it's going to be a crazy bull market. So, furthermore, it says the current Bitcoin futures open interest is 5.17 billion, which is roughly 250 million away from surpassing its all-time high of $5.5 billion. Now, while several finance giants are awaiting approval from the SEC on their spot Bitcoin ETF and for the fourth Bitcoin halving, the BTC price is seeing a bullish rally, gaining over 15% over the last 7 days. The rapidly increasing futures open interest of the CME shows traders' renewed attention towards Bitcoin. Several analysts have forecasted that this recent correction for Bitcoin price is estimated to break record high during the ongoing bullish summer. Again, excitement is in the air. We're so close. We still have so much time before the next bull run. April of next year is the estimate starting time of the bull run, my friends. I have it right here. May, April of next year. And this is what's already happened. Get ready? All I gotta say, make sure you are ready. Don't let this bull run pass you by. Get in now. Start accumulating assets. All right, let's move on to the next one, my friends. The SEC postpones decision on Grayscale's application for spot Ethereum ETF. So I'm a believer that the narrative will always do what it needs to do for their best interest. And I've been saying this before. I do not think any of the spot ETFs will be approved until at least the beginning of next year, first or the second month, because they need to time this really well, right? They know about the Bitcoin halving. They know about the 4-year cycle. They understand market psychology. They understand all of it. So they will time everything appropriately to ensure that they benefit from all of this. Unless you're paying attention, then you can as well. So it goes on to say the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has delayed the decision date for Grayscale investment spot Ethereum ETF by 45 days to January 25th. They say the commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule changes so that it is sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and the issues raised therein. Bloomberg says intelligence analyst James Apar said the delay was expected and completely normal. Of course, it's normal. Well planned, well organized. That's what they do, my friend. That is what they do. ETF will come. It will come very soon. Next up on Bitcoin.com, we have our good friend Elon Musk. X secures 12 money transmitter licenses. X.Ai raised $1 billion in equity offering. Elon's on a roll, man. Right? He's just been this last couple of months. So Elon Musk, social media platform X, formerly Twitter, has reportedly obtained transmitter licenses in 12 U.S. states: Arizona, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Maryland, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, South Dakota, and Winnipeg. In October, Musk unveiled his plan to turn X into a powerful financial platform. The Tesla boss stated in November last year that X could offer an extremely compelling money market account, debit cards, checks, and loan service. He recently detailed, when I say payments, I actually mean someone's entire financial life. If it involves money, it will be on our platform. Money or securities or whatever. So it's not just like send $20. I'm talking about like you won't need a bank account. I like this. You won't need a bank account. I'm all for becoming debanked, becoming decentralized. So my eyes are open to stay aware of what Elon is trying to do. So due diligence and preparation will keep notifying you of the progress, what this means for you and how you can make on these changes. Okay, that was it for our news highlights. Soon we're going to jump into the market updates. We're going to take a look at the charts today and we're going to analyze a little bit. But before we do that, this is a quick message from our sponsors. As the world sinks deeper into debt, your hard-earned money loses value daily. The solution: safeguard your wealth with smart, diversified, and decentralized income strategies. Breakout Solutions is on a mission to take back personal freedom, individual rights, and financial sovereignty. As the era of CBDCs, digital IDs, and social credit system approaches, it's crucial to act now to safeguard your financial future. Introducing the Future of Money, your guide to what's happening and what is coming. Join our 90-minute session to equip yourself, your loved ones, and your business against a system bent on control. Your time is precious. Don't waste it anymore. Use the link below, join our next virtual event, and access my exclusive bonuses. All right. So let's jump straight into the crypto bubbles. And, it's just gorgeous, just beautiful sea of green. Once again, we started off the week strong, and it looks like we're going to end the week strong again. Luna C 72.9% increase, already killing it at 155. Remix 72, Pepe up 44%, Tia up 50%. And there's just a couple of yellows, heck down 15, but it's just. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Let me know in the comments, my friends, are you holding any of these coins? I'm going to tell you straight up, there's about 10 of these coins in our portfolios that are balanced and mixed in the gaming, metaverse, AI, infrastructure, layer two. We have a little bit of everything. Um, I hope your portfolios are looking good. If not, you know, I mean, whatever you want to do. Moving forward on the Fear and Greed Index, we are at 72 greed. The greed is still high. We started off the week around 74, so we're just down just a bit, but we are still super high in the greed in the Fear and Greed Index. Next up, my friends, we're going to look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Now, we checked this out at the beginning of the week, and we were about in the middle of the chart. We had just broken out. We were consolidating. We seem to have found that support. Now we are looking at testing the top of this green zone to then move into the still cheap. So we are still in accumulate, but it's moving fast. It is moving fast. Personally, not financial advice, I do believe we will get rejected at this zone. We've had a really strong upwards momentum for the last 2.5, 3 months, I believe. So I do expect a solid correction, maybe coming back down and retesting these zones. So if you're not in yet, still, Bitcoin, it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin, but I do expect a solid retest down. Now, my friends, again, if you have not yet done it, I suggest just take a second. It does not cost you anything. Click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on this content. Every single day we bring you fresh content. Why should you invest in crypto? Check out this video that I did a couple days ago. Highly, highly informative. I'll just use the link. Click on that. Join us. See what's going on. Todd says, yes, we're feeling great. Good to hear that, brother. Good to hear that. I hope you're finding the content informative. Let me know what your portfolio is looking like. Drop your coins in the comments. I want to see what you've been trading, brother. Let me know. Now, we are going to jump into our Twitter highlight. And again, the hypocrisy, but let's look at it. Watch What Guru says. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon says he would close down Bitcoin and crypto if he were the government. The only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, money laundering, and tax avoidance. Ah, well said, well said to you. Now, let's look at the next tweet, because this is basically a response to that tweet. So over here, Jameson Locke said this: if I was the government, I'd shut down JP Morgan. Straight up, my friends. JP Morgan Chase is approaching the $39 billion mark in total fines imposed by the US regulator, enforcement agencies, and lawsuit related to anti-competitive practices, securities abuse, and other violations. And I don't know if you know this, but the banks are the biggest crooks out there, my friends, especially JP Morgan. So the hypocrisy, oh, Bitcoin is used for money laundering. When they're laundering money every single day, committing securities frauds, and so much more. So thanks. We appreciate your comment there, sir. But yeah, you can shove it right up there. Next up, we have the Bitcoin. Will says Bitcoin trading at 43,000, and this is what Google search trends for Bitcoins look like. Now, listen, I made a video about this last week. I believe it's this one. Why you should invest in crypto now? Don't wait until it's too late. And I talk about that specifically. So definitely take a look at it. But let's look at it here. This is the Google search trend for Bitcoin price. And when you search for it and you look at it, right, during the last bull run, right, when we were at the top of the market, this is what the Google trends were looking for. Everybody was searching for Bitcoin price. Same thing happened in 2017. This was a hype. Right now, even though the price of Bitcoin has gone up 60% in the last 2 months, even though there's been billions of dollars pushed into the market, we are still early. We are still early. So take advantage, my friend. Take advantage right now. Get some advice. If you don't know what you're doing, get some help. That's what we're here for. Okay. So that's it for our Twitter highlights, which is we're gonna jump into our adoption highlights. But before we do that, I really wanna take this moment to address it directly. Listen, my free thinking rebels, you are watching this today with me. And if you are ready to enhance your financial future, make an informed investment choice. You have access to a 45-minute breakout session that provides personalized guidance to help you maximize your potential. This is tailored specifically to you. Now, these sessions are your getaway to understanding how to navigate the complexities of the digital asset space efficiently. Now, just picture yourself outside of the confusion and uncertainty and just understanding and having the confidence to succeed on your investment. It's not easy. It was not easy. There's a lot to learn. And we are here to support you on that journey. So just click the link in the description, submit your request for the application, and we will get back to you with a response. Normally takes between 24 and 48 hours. All right. All right. Lastly, let's jump into our adoption highlight. Let's see what's going on. I got another comment from Todd. Check out the fact that JP is buying DTC in Europe at the same moment he's saying, bro, that's what I'm saying, right? They're just so hypocritical. They say one thing, and that's why you always gotta look behind and see what's going on. Follow the money, and you'll know what they're really doing. But again, in my mind, it's just all bullshit. At the end of the day, they're buying it up, brother. They're buying it up right now, and they're going to be the ones reaping the benefit because smart money, right? They're getting in early, and they'll take advantage of the market cycle. So ensure that you're doing the same, or you're doing the same. Don't don't do what they say. What's the term? Don't do what they say. Do what they do, right? So they'll say one thing, but they're doing something else behind the door. So you got to figure that out. Now, next up on our market adoption, Yahoo Finance says that Circle and Nubank partner to increase digital dollar access in Brazil. Now, availability of USDC on Nubank's crypto platform is phase one of extending USDC access across Nubank's products to more than 85 million Brazilian customers. Circle and Nubank, one of the world's largest digital financial platforms, serving 90 million customers across Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, announced today a partnership to extend USDC access to Brazilian Nubank customers. Circle's USDC is the leading regulating dollar stablecoin, a form of digital dollar that operates over the internet. Furthermore, they say we continue to see the strong demand across Latin America for access to dollars, specifically Brazil, which has emerged as a driving force for digital currency use and adoption in the region. So furthermore, they go on and say, true to the spirit of both companies' mission, the partnership includes mutual contribution to educational campaigns aiming to spreading knowledge about USDC in the Brazilian market, establishing it as a secure, cost-efficient, and transparent method for accessing and transacting in digital dollars. This is true. Most Latin American countries, again, the access to US dollars sometimes can be limited. I mean, this has been done specifically by the government, right? So this is definitely a great news for the Latin American countries, specifically Brazil. I hope everything works out and they do get access to this moving forward. Next up, we have on Bitcoin.com, BlackRock and Bitwise update their spot Bitcoin ETF filing amid SEC approval hype. Let's see what's going on with BlackRock again. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, and Bitwise have filed an amendment to their spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund application with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC has held meetings with exchanges and spot Bitcoin ETF issuers regarding their applications. Both the SEC and these issuers are working hard to iron things out, said Bloomberg. Don't jump into anything else. We know that BlackRock will get approved, like I said before. All about the timing. Let's look at the end of January, beginning of February, somewhere around there. I feel that's going to be like the sweet spot, right? Because once they get approved, I know they're ready. They're ready to go. They have everything ready to go. Once they get approved, then they start pushing in the funds from their management into Bitcoin and other assets. That's when things will go crazy. Crazy. Now, last up on our news adoption, we have Qatar's sovereign wealth fund dives into Bitcoin with potential 500 billion investment. Confirmed news is just rumors. Let's see what it says. Well-known Bitcoin maximalist Max Kaiser tweeted on X late on Sunday that Qatar could be a big bullish driver to the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, suggesting that rumors are getting very loud that the country's sovereign wealth fund could be looking to scoop up 500 billion of BTC. There's some articles, I guess, a little post on Twitter. Let's see. While the rumors around Qatar's plan to enter the Bitcoin market remain unconfirmed and have not been reported widely yet among reputable crypto news outlets, as fact, speculation that major sovereign wealth funds are looking to enter the Bitcoin market is likely to have a positive effect on the Bitcoin price. And positive effect, we have 100%. The Bitcoin price has just been soaring. Let's look at it one more time. Let's do this. Look at that. We've had a 65% pump from the bottom that we created in October. That's basically 1 month. 1 month, 65% increase in the Bitcoin price. If we look at other assets, everything is following. So, my friends, again, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much, Todd, and everybody else who joined in, for dropping your comments. Definitely remember, we are here Monday to Friday. I'm here on Mondays at 5, Tuesdays at 5, Thursdays at 5. So mark it in your calendar, jump in, support the channel, like, subscribe, and share. I will see you in the next one, my friends.